If Search Console says not found 404, Google tried to visit a page and got a dead end. The question is whether that dead end was on purpose or not. I've been doing B2B content marketing for more than 16 years, and this is the most misunderstood report in Search Console. A 404 isn't automatically a problem. If you've deleted a page on purpose and nothing should replace it, a 404 is the correct answer. Google will eventually stop checking. The real problem is the accidental 404. Let's say you moved a post, changed a slug, or restructured your blog, and now a URL that used to have traffic and backlinks goes nowhere. All of that equity evaporates. Here's the fix. Open the report and sort by URL. For every 404 that used to be a real page, set up a 301 redirect to the closest relevant page. No, not to your home page, the closest relevant page. Then find every internal link on your own site still pointing to that dead URL and update it to the new destination. Internal links to 404s waste crawl budget, and they send mixed signals about your site quality. If the page never existed or it was junk, just leave it alone. A clean 404 is healthier than redirecting everything to your homepage, which Google actually treats as a soft 404 anyway. If you're still struggling with getting a handle on your redirects after watching this, feel free to schedule some time with us.